Affirm Thai Asia 056.
Thai Asia 056 after Milan descend to 3,000 feet and clear ANP Zulu approach runway 09ครับ Milan เดนลา3
After Milan Lasan, set 3,000 feet. After Milan, I'm clear. And be Zulu approach runway 09 Thai Asia 056.
Okay, we are cleared for the approach. Check. Push snap, final blue. Checked. Flaps 2. Speed check, flaps 2.
Arabia 687 contact tower 1.8.1 สวัสดีครับ
Contact tower 118.1 สวัสดีครับ Arabia 687.
Thai Asia 3160 Milan เดนลา
Phuket Tower Arabia 687, very good morning, Swati Khap. Established on RNP approach runway 090.
Arabia 687, Phuket Tower, good morning, continue approach.
Continue approach Arabia 687.
Check, final approach, quarter altitude 4000.
Check.
Check.
Checked.
Checked.
Airspring 8771, wicket right, taxiway Foxtrot, contact ground 121.9.
Foxtrot 121.9. Good day, Spring 8.
So 6 miles, we have to be 1990.
Checked. Runway side.
Checked.
Flaps.
On profile.
Gear down, please.
Gear down.
Manage speed.
Checked. At 5 miles, we need to be at 1670.
Checked.
Arabia 687, wind 0 degrees, signal runway 09, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 09, Arabia 687.
Check, flaps 3.
Speed check, flaps 3.
Flap full.
Speed check, flap full.
Check, landing checklist.
Landing checklist, ECAM memo.
IW.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing check is complete, clear to land.
Check. 135, okay.
Yeah. At 4 miles, we need to be at 1350 on profile.
Check.
At 3 miles, we need to be at 1030.
Check. Okay, visual. The pilot off. Radiators off. We're done. Set runway track.
100 above. 1000.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
Checked.
Phuket Tower, Thai Jet 415. สวัสดีครับ
Thai Jet 415, Phuket Tower, สวัสดีค่ะ report when ready.
Port when ready. Thai Jet 415. Tower สวัสดีครับ Thai Asia 056 and speed final call sign P runway 09.
Thai Asia 056, Phuket Tower, สวัสดีค่ะ continue approach.
Continue approach Thai Asia 056.
30, 20, retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green.
Private jet 415, fully ready.
Check.
Private jet 415, fly up and wait runway 09.
Fly up and wait, runway 09, private jet 415.
Next one will be Foxtrot.
Check.
Airbus 687, wicket right, taxiway Foxtrot, contact ground 121.9.
Wicket via Foxtrot, contact ground 121.9, that'll be 687, Swati Hub.
Check. Right and right.
Very firm. She said only wicket via Foxtrot and
Yes.
contact ground, so
Check.
yes. Phuket ground, that'll be 687, Swati Hub, getting via Foxtrot.
Airbus 687, Phuket ground, สวัสดีค่ะ taxi via Papa, Tango 2, parking bay 16.
Taxi via Papa, Tango 2, stand 16, that'll be 687.
Check. Star 16 as verified.
Yeah.
And please after landing check this.
Yes, moment. After landing checklist, radar operator windshield.
Off.
After landing checks complete.
Checked. My friends.
They stay here? Your friends stay here?
Yes, they are living here.
Oh, nice.
Is it Papa 1 or
No, she said Papa Tango 2. Tango 2 is the
Tango
first
2.
one. To the left.
Okay, the first one to the left. Check.
Yeah. What's the name of the coffee shop, this one?
Runway 58. 5/8, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, that's the name of the coffee
Of
shop.
the coffee shop, yeah.
Wow, nice.
Turning left, Tango 2.
Checked.
Last one to the left.
Very far.
Start a bit. Start the APO, please.
Phuket Ground สวัสดีครับ Asia A321 runway vacate Foxtrot
Asia A056 ground สวัสดีค่ะ taxi via Papa stand number 6
Papa to stand number 6 to Asia A356
Marshal in sight.
Shots. Okay, time 14.
Ready, set. PFD down, 1 to shut down.
Yeah.
Park, yeah, let's wait.
Bleed.
Parking checklist.
Parking checklist. Parking brake or chocks.
Parking brake set.
Engines.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Yellow tip up.
Off.
Parking check is complete.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure, Gats.